Hello, this is Lee from the Multi-Service Corp. Today I'm going to teach you how to advertise your business for free on Google with the support of Google My Business Listing. But before we go ahead and teach you how to do that, I want you to imagine that you are looking for a roofer or a painter in your area. Okay, what's the first thing you're going to do? You're going to go on Google, whether it's on your desktop, or office, or house, or in your mobile phone, and you're going to look for roofers in Salt Lake City, Utah. Okay, and the Google will display a few results. This is actually how consumers are purchasing or buying possible services. They go on Google as the main search engine to look for possible products and service. And according to Google statistics, they say that 24 hours to 48 hours after the search has been done, it's most likely that they purchase the service. So it's quite important that you guys understand that your company must be on Google My Business Listing. Okay, so I'll show you the process how to advertise your company for free. Let's hop on the computer and I'll show you the displays and how to advertise your company totally free of charge. Okay, see you in a bit.
Okay, so let me teach you and why it's so important as a business owner to actually claim your Google listings and verify Google listings. And this is the way to get free advertising in Ogden, Utah. Uh, let's say that you or a consumer, a possible lead, possible prospect, one or needs a commercial cleaning company in Ogden. Okay, we put here on Google, whether if it's on mobile phone or on desktop, you're gonna put commercial cleaning company, Ogden, Utah, and you hit the clean button. Okay, so this is how it displays. Okay, this one right here is a sponsored link on the Google results, not on the Google My Business result, on Google results. Okay, then this one's right here after the map is the Google My Business results. This is how you're gonna get free advertising for your company. The first three companies that are here are the ones who are going to get the most traffic, because after that you got the organic results, which is are the websites from the local businesses. Well, here you got Yelp, which is a directory. Thumbstack is another directory for different professionals in United States. And sometimes some sponsors display on the bottom. And if you can see, you got many pages. But I tell you the truth, whoever's in the first page are the ones who's getting traffic, especially the one at top. This is why it's so important to get your company verify and claim, okay, on Google My Business, because you're going to display up top of the organic results. And the only one who's going to be on top is the sponsor links, like this one right here. Now let's go ahead and look for the Google My Business listings, which is where you want to be to get free advertising for your company, regardless of you're in the cleaning industry, in the lawn care, in the painting, in the plumbing. It doesn't matter. This is the same process for every single company in any town or city. Okay, if you click here on the first one, you'll see that this one, apparently this one is being claimed because it doesn't show a link here saying, are you the owner of this company? Obviously, I'm using window in Spanish, so it should say in Spanish, but and this is the organic results down here again. But anyways, look, even though that this one is being claimed, it doesn't have an address. It doesn't. We don't even know if the phone number is right. Maybe it's being claimed, but the information is wrong. So let's go on the second one here. In fact, let me open the website here on this, on another link. Okay, let's go on the second result. Okay, on the second listing. All right. Yeah, this one is a website. Yeah, so a website apparently is working. Okay, but see, if you see here on the third one, this one doesn't even have an address. It's a no opinion. This one hasn't been claimed. This one right here hasn't been claimed either. So on commercial cleaning in Ogden, Utah, the competition is really low. You actually, another way to actually get free advertising. If you were one of this, it's really easy to actually come up third, because look at the first one. The first one doesn't even have reviews. If you make your company have reviews, you probably end up here. I mean, this one has reviews, of course, but well, this one is not open. You know, it's not even open in the website. But okay, so this is what it is. This is why it's so important for you to claim your Google My Business listings, and this is the way to get free advertising. You're not paying a single dime. All you need to do is just claim your listings. Okay, put all the details as necessary, like pictures, videos, website, your address, reply the comments. You can actually put your logo of your company. Okay, well, this one is being claimed. You say, look, it has your. If we click here on the third one, quite sure that hasn't been claimed. This one comment, no competition at all. This one hasn't been claimed, no competition. I mean, look at right here at the bottom, hasn't been claimed, hasn't been claimed. So for this city, there's a lot of things you can do to actually come up third, you know, first, second, or third on the Google results. Okay. Now let's go into. Let me show you how you're going to be able to claim your listings. What you're going to do is you're going to put your company name here, and it'll display your listing like this, and it'll say a little link here. You are you the owner of this company, or it'll say in Spanish if your window is in Spanish or you're in a Spanish region. It'll say here all you need to do is just click on it, and then uh, it'll give you this sort of a page. Will say what's the name of your business. Your put your business name, right, and then it'll send you to the page where you actually put your address. Like here, you put your address in the states, your street address, your city, your Florida, and your zip code. If you deliver goods and services to my customers, yeah, well, it depends if you're actually, selling goods or services. If you don't want to hide your address, just is in case you got your store at home, you don't want people to, arriving at your doorstep and then requesting your products or your services. So sometimes you want to hide that. Okay, take a note of that. This is another the starting point of the address. Sometimes they'll give you options. It says here, it looks like your business is right. It might be already listed on Google Search and Google Map. You can, have different options there. If none of those companies are yours, you can say none of these, and then they'll give you the option to put your address. Okay, and then also you display the area, the service area. Okay, if you're in Ogden and you want to go outside of Ogden, then you'll display here the cities and the towns next to Ogden. You can actually do it also by miles. How many miles from Ogden are you going to go to sell your service? Okay, or to provide the service. Okay, so this is where you put that, and then the category. Once again, if you're a landscaper, then you want to put lawn care or landscapers, or if you're in the commercial cleaning or in the carpet cleaning, you put the more categories you got here, the better. Some it could give you options because that's how people are going to find you on the results. Okay, and then you put your phone number. This is how people are going to find you. Put your business phone number or your cell phone. And if you have a website, make sure you put your website there. If you don't have a website, don't worry about it. Google My Business will give you the option to actually give you a landing page. It's like it'll be your website, okay? Where you can put photos and pictures and videos. All right. And then once all the details, the basic details is put on, you can verify your business, and then you'll be able to, allow new customers to find you on Google Search and Google Map. You can promote your business for free with photos and post on coupons or offers, and also you can track your possible leads or possible buyers with Google Analytics. It'll tell you the keywords that they use to land in your listing and how they found you, if they found you by via mobile phone or desktop. Different information you'll have there privately. They'll send you an email, every week, and you'll be able to know how they're actually finding you. And then you can respond reviews as well. Okay, so that's what it is. Then it'll come to a process to where you need to verify. It's a special code that they'll send you to a postcard by mail. It'll take a few days, and then all you need to do is just put that number they'll provide you on the postcard, and then it's done. There's another way around. If you say verify later, they'll give you an option to verify your company via cell phone, via mobile phone. They'll send you a code on your mobile phone, you put it there, and that's it. And then it's finished. Then you'll have your control panel like that where you can put your logo here on the company, the type of services, your phone number, the hours of work, when are you working from, when do you close. You can set up appointments, the type of services. The more services you got, the more description you got on your services, the better. If you're an e-commerce or shop, you can put store code or label codes. And over here, you can on the control panel, you can reply messagings, add photos, videos, reply reviews, the insight, which is the Google Analytics, and also you can create an ad inside your control panel. If you create an ad, it's the sponsor links that appears here on the Google My Business. Okay, so well, it's very simple. It'll probably take you about 20 minutes to do this, 20, 30 minutes maximum. And well, that's how you can actually get free advertising on Google. And this is how you verify your company in Google My Business listing. If you think this video has been very useful for you, uh, make sure you hit the like button. Share this video with any of your friends that got businesses in their local area that you think they can benefit from this tutorial. And well, don't forget to subscribe to learn more how to get free advertising on the different social media platforms. And see you on the next video. Bye.